to get the other smoker too. It's in the.
I know where it is. I saw it. I got you, Faja. If I saw it. Oh, it's probably in the bee shed.
Thing in the bottom?
No.
That should have been in there.
Well, it is in there, but it's not at the bottom. It's all messed up.
Oh, okay. You got it? It's upside down.
Yeah.
There we go. You want to light it?
Come on.
It's lit.
There.
Oh, is it lit?
This one always has a hard time lighting.
Yeah, we'll get it a little longer. So does this.
Looks
The
like
hell?
you need a new igniter.
The fuck?
I touch and it breaks immediately. There we go.
You're a true firefighter. You don't even have to try.
Does he?
Just the igniter on this thing, I think.
Yeah, you might need this new igniter. Woo.
Don't die, Dad.
There you go.
It might be out of gas.
Maybe it's running out of gas.
I think it's out of gas. Oh well. So we light it the old-fashioned way then.
Oh,
Look at the bugs in there.
yeah.
Now the lighter won't light. Really? God! Why is my equipment going to shit?
I'm here, Dad. That's why.
This is why it takes forever to use sometimes. Of course, that one's not very light. See if there's a lighter in there.
Yeah.
That one's good. We've got a good one. Silly.
I got the tiny bit.
See if it works. Yeah, I'm gonna burn my gloves.
Can't tell me how many times I've not hit my thumbnails on those.
You want to grab a handful of stuff?
Yeah, I'll grab a handful of stuff. Here's a handful of stuff for you.
And go ahead. Shove it in there. Okay. It didn't light.
Don't need it.
Take my glove off.
That's out of gas too.
I've never had this trouble. This thing was giving us trouble yesterday.
Mm-hmm. They found out is the thing in the bottom. They just had to fix it.
That one's not done.
This cover seems to be the wrong size. Here we go. That. But one more hive. Just don't step on the bees. Yeah! Get to work. That hat is falling off you, huh?
Yeah. Ah, now you blocked my view. Ah! God, what are you doing? I can't see. It's like breaking into the Ark of the Covenant.
Mm-hmm. Queen's Palace, literally.
Here we go. Ooh.
Ooh, What's that? Is that
The
another
beetle trap.
You want to get that out? Did you put the other one
No,
back
we
in?
didn't, but I'll get it.
Look at that.
I know, that looks good.
Ooh.
Ooh, look at this frame.
Oh yeah.
So let's pull the first one because it looks like it has nothing on it, and you'll be able to pull these back from it.
You want me to start up second like normal, or?
Yeah, it looks like you can.
Look at all that honey, Dad.
I know, huh?
I accidentally did something.
What'd you do? What happened? It's all right. It's good. Yep.
This one's not capped.
You got pollen and nectar.
That one
This
has brood.
So they're just starting to work. See, they're just starting to build comb on it. And this one they're just starting to build. This one we might not get any out of.
Still
Because
four.
that's got brood. I can see brood here.
Yeah, well, I'll just keep moving to the next one. No need to pull it out.
Right.
Okay.
And that's going to be a honey. That's all honey, but it's not ready. What about that side? Oh,
Nope, not ready. Yeah.
Let's take that one and flip it 180.
Okay.
You know why? Why I'm doing that? Because now they're going to work on this side. They'll start working this side to cut before they come back out to this side.
Did I do that right?
Yep. That's it.
Let's do this over here too.
Brood.
Brood on there. Be careful now. There's a queen might be on that one. Don't think we should go any further on this one.
Right.
Nope.
This one just has brood, it looks like, too.
Yeah, so we'll put that frame in here. You got to get your frame back in.
Yeah,
so
I'll wait
this is-
for her to put hers in and then I'll...
Because this has to go this way, right?
Yeah.
So we've got plenty of frames. How many are
6, I think you said.
there's 6 in
So pushing it all towards you.
here. We got 5.
5.
That'll be, well, that's going to be kind of weird, but okay. We might grab another one. This out a little more, yeah. There we go. Perfect. And you put this one back in.
How many beetles were in there?
Quite a bit. There's quite a bit of beetles in there. Okay. And put the cover on there. Make sure that slots to the back. Top back. Let's go back over to this one and the second box.
Try and get...
Get one more frame. I'm just going to grab this whole thing right off. Ready?
broken.
Whoa, chicken scared me.
Let's
Those aren't done.
see if
aren't
this one's
done.
here.
This one might be done, but it looks like brood.
Try and pull this one here.
What's your problem, chickens?
Mickey, can you pass me the
Okay.
Yep.
careful.
Nope.
Oh, it's not done
Nope,
on this
not
side.
at all.
Nope.
Go ahead and put that one back in.
Want me to check this
We're going to
one?
keep this one out for a minute. So we just did this one, right?
Yeah.
This one has brood on it, I can tell. Oh, I did squash. We might not be getting another frame, which is fine. Let's see.
What's this one? No, brood.
No, there's no brood in here, but there's nectar. We
Oh,
could
is that
take this
nectar?
one. See, it's just got a little bit of nectar on here. So let's take this one because it seems to be. Here we go. Here.
I have to clean my camera. It has honey on it.
And there's one down here, remember.
Oh yeah. Forgot about that one.
What, we got 9,
Yeah.
You want to put that one in first, or?
6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, this one's got stuff on it, so. There we go. It's getting into the bottom of it now. Went out, of course. Oh. Okay, screw it. We're going with just that one.
Do you want me to hit
I
it
have to
again, or
clean
is
these things. That's what it is. Yeah, let's go bring it over here. And here's a tool. You want it? Here's a tool.
Sure.
There's another tool in there, I think. Anyways. Okay, we're ready.
Ready?
Yeah, you can go from that side, I guess.
Okay.
Not in the front. Stand on that
Oh, yeah.
side.
This will
And
come up.
you can put that over there or over here. It's either way. Yep, pop it up on your side too. Yep, use the pointy end to get under there. There you go. Make sure we check, make sure the queen's not on there.
No queen on this side.
Okay, good.
No
I
queen.
don't see any queen on that.
No, you shouldn't see her on there. You shouldn't be up there. So let's go with getting this frame out on this side. You can get this frame out on this side.
Oh,
Yeah.
ready? Take one for that, please. Thank you.
You want the frame puller?
Yes, please. Thank you, Faja.
This is heavy.
Yeah, that's going to be one we're going to take.
Okay.
This is none we're not taking.
Right.
Look at that.
It's
do I
not
do?
quite done on this side. Flip it over.
Oh.
Oh, well, we can take that one. Oh no, it's not. It's not capped, so we
Oh,
don't want to
okay.
take that one yet.
We gotta wait for it to cap. Do I
Yeah.
put it back in or put it to the side?
No, don't put them back in yet, because remember we've got to
Move them.
Move them, that's right.
So just put them on their end like this. You can grab them from here,
Okay.
and then you can just sit it. Yes. Like that. Right. Now we go to the next one. You're not going to be able to. Yeah. There you go. Okay, so these are not done.
No.
None of them look done actually. Maybe this one. I don't know. That one's definitely not done. So slide it back. See, it's
Nope.
done up here,
Yeah,
but it's
but
not
not
here.
done
And on
on
the
that
other
one.
side, it's completely open.
Okay.
So we're not taking that one.
That one's not done either.
definitely not done.
No. I'm just pulling it out to inspect it.
Don't think this one's done either.
Nope. Way too much open
Yes,
nectar, yes.
This middle one might be done, but I don't think so
It's
either.
looking. On this side it's not though. Let me put that one back.
Go ahead and pull it, Nikki. It's not. Yeah, it's not capped at the bottom.
Nope. So
Nope.
this is a honey super. See how they're thin? So put that one back. Now let's put everything back like we found it. So this one goes back, that
All
one
the
goes
way to
back.
this one? Oh wait,
That one's in the middle.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Did I get that right? I
Yep.
think so.
You gotta kind of make them so they're
Tight.
even. You know, yours are kind of canted. See how they're canted? there?
Yeah.
So we want to straighten them out. That you can see where they used to sit. You want to put it back where they used to sit. That one should fit in there now. Nice and easy. Yep, right there. Perfect. And then this one. Not too much yet. Yeah, gotta give them bee space. You're good. No, we're gonna look at the second box down. So we're gonna break this one apart. There, go right in at the corner. There you go. Now, Jack, why don't you grab it from here, and then just sit it sideways on the top. Just like that. Yep. So let's see, what are we looking at here? That looks good right there. That might be one. Let's take a look.
First one?
Yeah, but we want to pull the second one first, remember? So
Right.
let's get them down away from the top. And go down. Alright, there we go. This one looks good too. You gotta be careful pulling that one because it's gonna scrape against this. You might have to pull this first one, Jack. I would
Okay.
use that tool there,
Kind of give it some more space.
or do this. You get under here and get it up on either end. Here you go. You got it?
Yep.
Put the edge up on the top. Just get the like that. Now pry it up a little. There you go. Not too much. You just coax that one out. Let's see, that's a frame. Lots of pollen on it. And they're just starting to work this end. And you can, if you do this, you'll break them easier. You just break them free, and now they should be able to pick up. Oh, wait. That's capped. That has brood. Boy, that's a nice frame on that side.
Yeah, but it has brood.
Right. Okay, so let's look at this. Put that one on the ground.
The next one has brood as well.
Yep. No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, it does.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're going to have all kinds of brood down in here, so let's look at this frame, and then we'll put that, you can put that one back. We're going to leave this hive alone.
Sorry, bees. I'm sorry.
I say the same
They
thing.
can bite through those gloves that you have on. I don't know what it is.
Nice.
Yeah, pissy.
Yeah. I just don't want them flying up my pants again.
Yeah, I know, that sucks. Just move this one back.
That's nice.
What's on the other side?
It looks
Yeah, that's a
pretty
good one.
capped. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to grab it from
Please
you
do.
if I can.
It's kind of heavy. Got it?
Yep, let it go.
You want your brush?
There's a Mickey nail, John.
Sorry. That was my fault.
Get your... That's good where it's at. Go ahead and move this one closer to it. Leave a little bee space. There you go. Perfect. Right there. Okay, start moving them all over. There you go. Don't squish the bees.
Don't want them cattywampus.
I'll get them closer to you.
Looking good.
Fresh hive for you guys.
You'll start cleaning these off.
Nail.
Yeah.
I'm learning how to use a nail gun. Never
Okay, so
used one.
now we take this and we go, because we've got to kind of center them and then we'll have to spread them out again. We got to get them towards the middle. Now we'll spread these out. There we go. All right, so we put the inner cover back on.
Nice. That was
Make
a good
sure
one.
the little slot, there should be a slot on that one. Though. There isn't, don't worry about it then. I didn't put an entrance on that one, I gotta do it still. Yep, make sure it's square. Oh, we got frames there too.
I didn't even notice this.
Okay, now we move to this one. So this has a honey box on it. It's only been on there for a week. George, we're doing bees.
Going up.
Yep. That's a good sign.
Got it?
Yep. Oof. They don't look capped. Make sure all queens on this. Nope, no queen.
This might be the same thing though, because I just put this on.
Yeah, they don't look
Cap it.
capped. No, those two aren't done.
And these two aren't.
So yeah, let's pull these second ones out of there so we can go ahead and look at them. Give us some room. Yeah, see they're building on that one. That's good. And the flow's still on, so I mean I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, that's just put her on the side and nope, nectar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is going to be the same. So yours is the same, and we're just going to put them all the things back in, and we'll put it off to the side and go to the next box down.
Okay.
But they're filling it up. Look at that. Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
That's good. Yeah, okay, go put it back in. It's not ready to come out.
Put them back all in.
Yeah. pretty new wax they built.
You're pretty new wax. Got 'em.
Oh, that frame's cracked. Well, I have another small frame in the. Oh, let me go grab it.
I think we're pulling this one then.
Yep.
God, they didn't even build on this one yet.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got 6 frames already, so that's at least 3 gallons.
I can get this one to line up right. I don't know what I'm running into, but you see how it's like
Yeah,
not
see
getting
right
close
here?
right there?
You're not gonna get any closer.
Oh,
It's all
because
built
it's
in.
right there. Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't put in.
What's that?
They just built comb connecting these
Yeah,
two.
it's called crazy comb or cross. That's cross comb. This on the cover is called crazy comb
You're crazy.
or burr comb. There we go. Looks good. Let's break that box off and put it off to the side. Let Jack grab it. It's probably pretty heavy.
I'll let Jack grab it.
Yeah, it's broken.
It's broken on this side, so.
Okay, so this is a beetle trap.
Oh.
It's got oil in it, so let me grab that out of there so we don't drop the oil into the bees. Let's see, that's looking good, man.
I see some caps over here.
Where's the brush?
It's over here.
Give it and still sweep off really quick.
What's the matter?
I'm just gonna sweep this top off right here
It's
before.
probably just hit them with the smoke. You don't want to brush bees off the top like that.
Alright. Why not?